Hey everybody, I'm super excited to kind of tell you what's been going on. I've been contracted to do quite a few commercials and ads for some outdoor company products that I'm very excited about. Also been working on a few new episodes, especially considering that the fall is the time for the big runs. We have steelhead, we have salmon, we have browns that are doing their thing out in the Great Lakes, and also an episode where I'm pretty excited to showcase like some of the smaller, lesser known trips that I'm taking. But really quickly, here's some footage from the last trip I took, and also some. But this footage will not be in an episode because it's just stuff from advertisements. In fact, I'll double up. I'll go some footage from the last trip and some advertisements, and come back and talk to you guys a little more. Absolutely love shooting stuff. Absolutely love showcasing the gorgeous beauty of the time of year and how it intertwines with fly fishing and chasing salmonids and other species as well. But yeah, this channel's going to keep going as long as I can get out and catch some fish, shoot some footage and catch some fish. I've got a few music video shoots I'm doing in the process, but to help make a little extra money to keep the channel going and stuff. But yeah, stay tuned, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for some more episodes and some more fish on some big fish coming up in some episodes, and some other really cool and pretty spots.